Hello kids, let's start with our math subject, chapter 9, decimal fraction with our problem set 41. The first question, convert the following into decimal fraction and add them. The first question is 1.5 meter and 2.5 meter. Now, what we will be doing it? Let's see the solution. 1.5 means you are going to write down 1 upon 2. 2.5 means 2, 1 by 2. Now, 1.5 is what? 1.5 in decimal form. Same goes, 2.5 means what? 2.5 in decimal form. Now, what you will be doing? We have to add this. So, how are you going to write down? Let's see, 1.5 plus 2.5. When you will add, you will get the answer 4.0 meter. Now, let's see the next question. 4 and 3/4 rupees and 7 and quarter rupees. Now, let's see the solution. 4 and 3/4 means 4.75. 7 and a quarter means 7.25. Now, how are you going to add it? Let's see. 4.75 plus 7.25. Now, when you will add this, you will get 12.0. So, the answer is 12.00 rupees. Now, let's see question number 2, first one. 23.4 plus 87.9. You have to add this. So, let's see the solution. 23.4 plus 87.9. When you will add, you will get the answer 111.3. Let's see question number 2, 35.74 plus 816.6. Write down in the column 35.74 plus 816.60. When you will add this, you will get the answer 852.34. Let's see question number 3, first one. 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. Write down the column. In the centimeter, you will write down 51 and millimeter 0.4. 68.5. So, the answer when you are adding it, you will get 119.9 centimeter. Now, let's see the second question. What is our second question? Let's see the second question. 94.7 meter plus 1738.45 meter. Now, let's see the solution. We are going to add this. So, write down 94.70 plus 1738.45. When you will add this, you will get the answer. First, you have to add the centimeter, that is 70 and 45. So, 0 plus 5 you will get 5, 7 plus 4 you will get 11. But this 1 you have to carry to the other one. 4 plus 8, 12 plus 1, 13. So, you are going to write down 13. But again this 1 you have to carry to another number. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 3, 13. So, you are going to write down 13. But again 1 you have to carry to the next number, that is 7. So, 7 plus 1, 8 and 1 as it is you have to write down. So, your answer is 1833.15. How are you going to write down that? 1833.15 meter. Let us start with the problem set 42. The question is subtract the following. The first one, 25.74 minus 13.42. Write down in the column tenths, units and tenth and hundred. Now, you'll write down the number properly in the column. Let's start. In the tens place, you will be writing 25.74. Now, the another one is, in the tens place, you will be writing 1. In the units place, 3. Point. In the tenth place, 4. And in the hundred place, 2. Now, you have to subtract this. So, we'll start with the hundred place. 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 4, 3. Decimal as it is you are going to put. Now, the next one, in the units place. 5 minus 3, you'll get the answer 2. And 2 minus 1, you'll get the answer 1. Now, so the answer is 12.32. Let's see our second question. 206.35 minus 168.22. Write down in the hundred place 2, in the tens place 0, in the units place 6, point, in the tenth place 3, and in the hundred place 5. So let's start. 206.35. Now the next one is 168.22. In the hundred place, you are going to write down 1. In the tens place, 6. In the units place, 8. Point. In the tenth place, 2. And in the hundred place, 2. Now, we have to subtract it. Let's start. We will start with the hundred place. So, 5 minus 2. What is the answer? Yes, 3. 3. Now the tenth place, 3 minus 2, 1. Yes, decimal as it is. 6 minus 8. Is it possible? No. So we have to borrow from the tens place. That is 0. But already 0 don't have anything so that we can get it. So again you have to move to the next column, that is 100, that is 2 number. So from 2 you have to borrow 1 in the tens place. So the number is now 10. But already 1 you have to give to the units place. So you have to give 1 in the units place. So 10 will become 9. And now unit is what? 16. So now let's begin. 16 minus 8, 8. Now in the tens place, 9 minus 6, you will get the answer 3. And in the hundred place, the number is 1 minus 1. So what will be your answer? Yes, 0. So your answer 206.35 minus 168.22 is 38.13.